Well, it could be time to officially say goodbye to Uber. This is huge news as of today. You don't want to miss this video. Please thumbs it up if you think drivers need more pay. And speaking of more pay, if you want to get paid more, you can now sign up for T-Mobile. Just bought this company, Play Octopus. They're sending Uber and Lyft drivers across the nation free tablets to put in the back of your headrest, and they're going to start paying you tons of money to do so. So click the link below. They say full-time drivers average around $100 a month, but there's some drivers making hundreds of dollars a month just by putting this free tablet in your car. You can get signed up in 2.5 minutes with the link below, and let's get started. So this is massive news. Amazon is entering the food delivery space, and honestly, I wouldn't be surprised if they're entering into the rideshare space as well. This could be a very big entry point for them. Listen to this. If you're an Amazon Prime member, comment down below if you're an Amazon Prime member or if you've done Grubhub or Amazon Flex before. Listen to this. Amazon Prime members now have access to an exclusive Grubhub deal. Uber and DoorDash stock are going way down because Amazon Prime members can now get free Grubhub delivery. So if you've been thinking about, doing food delivery, do Grubhub, because you're gonna start seeing tons and tons of people switching over to Grubhub from DoorDash and Uber Eats. Uber Eats and DoorDash, for the most part, have taken up over 80% of the market share for food delivery, and now Grubhub is probably going to be leading. Listen to this. Prime members are now entitled to a free 1-year subscription to Grubhub Plus, meaning free deliveries over $12 on your orders, which is basically the cost of a meal now with inflation. But attention Amazon Prime members, ordering lunch just got easier. The company that brings you all your favorite products have announced that Prime members are eligible for a free 1-year membership to Grubhub starting today. Service is usually $9.99 a month, but Amazon announced today that all Amazon Prime users are entitled to a 1-year long subscription of Grubhub Plus. And guys, you know that so many people have Amazon Prime, so this could literally wipe out Uber Eats. And if Amazon enters into the rideshare space as well, I don't know, do you think that? I mean, they already have Amazon Flex, and they already do a really good job with delivery. They're potentially going to be buying out Grubhub or another food delivery service. Maybe Amazon will just buy out Lyft. I don't know. What do you think about that? Maybe Amazon will buy Lyft out, and at that point I think Lyft would skyrocket and say goodbye to Uber. So this is all just speculative news, but this could very well be the end of Uber. So check out my links down below to sign up for Play Octopus. Start earning some income with T-Mobile's new tablet that they have just purchased. Start making some extra money. You can sign up in 2.5 minutes, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye now.